Hello internet friends, in this video I'm continuing to install ribs into the fuel tank, still assisted by Luke, who's an experienced 16-year-old experienced RV-14 builder and hopeful student pilot. I guess not hopeful. Actually, I should ping him and ask him if he started his student license, because I think he's logged a couple hours, so he must already have his student license. Anyway, yes, perfect camera angle here to not record anything. Okay, so let's see what else. Still working with Pro Steel. It's still hot outside, although this week it's supposed to get cooler in Vegas. I hope this is the end of summer. It's been very unusual. Usually we have about 3 months of like 110 plus, and this year we had like 3 weeks of that. So summer was very mild. It was very nice. My electricity bill during that like peak summer month can get to like $1,600, which, while that sounds shocking, like my winter electricity bill is like $200. So don't really use a lot of electricity in winter. My gas bill goes up like from $40 to like $100 in the winter, but that's still pretty mild. I've heard, people's heating oil bills are $1,600. So I guess pick your battles. Let's see. Oh, I'm hoping I can get a lot more done this week. Last week, all of my entire company was in town for a conference, so I was preoccupied with hanging out with people from my company since they were here. Living in a tourist town has its ups and downs. Like when people come to town, they're always like, hey, let's go out, let's go race the supercars. And I'm like, bro, I'm trying to get this plane built in my garage so I can fly to somewhere else. No, I don't want to go race the supercars, although I haven't done that yet. But also, I'm building an airplane. Like, that's way cooler than driving a supercar for like 7 laps around the track and spending, I don't know, probably $1,000 so I can drive a Lambo. Like, I'm good. You know what? I can't buy a Lambo for $1,000, but if I really wanted to, I would, have a Lambo instead of a airplane. But you can't fly a Lambo, so that's why I'm building an airplane. Okay, and if you're also building an airplane because you can't fly a Lamborghini or a Porsche, then come join our Slack group. Specifically the Slack group, because no one is on the Discord group. I said that. I haven't checked the Discord group in like weeks. So I will see you there and see you in the next video.